Stopping, manual or automatic car. Using mirror signal maneuver, MSM, routine. 1. When choosing a safe place to stop, check center mirror first and then the left side mirror. 2. Signal left and ease off the gas pedal. 3. Press the brake pedal progressively to slow down the car. 4. In a manual car, press down the clutch fully before the car starts to stall and keep it down. 5. Steer to the left towards the curb with both hands. Steer back towards the right, and then straight, to position the car close and parallel to the curb. 6. Stop the car fully and then engage the handbrake. 7. Select neutral in a manual car or select park in an automatic car. 8. Cancel the signal if it's still on, and take your feet off the pedals and relax. Before we stop and park anywhere, we must consider, is it safe, convenient, and a legal place to stop and park? For example, do not stop or park on double yellow lines, near a junction, near or at a bus stop, near or on a pedestrian crossing, in front of an entrance especially with a dropped curb, or on a bend. Always stop and park on a safe, convenient and legal place.